We don't cast, oh, we don't cast. Wow. Why am I so excited? Because I want to teach you how to use this app. I will not mention it. How to use this app free. I understand that you also understand that recently this app, there is not much you can achieve with it if you have not paid money. Like the pro version is what is in vogue now. So if you don't have the pro version, a lot of features, beautiful features that we use in our videos have gone to the pro side of the app. So now I have a way that you can use this app, the pro. You can use it on your phone without paying a dime, like shishi, no go come out from your pockets. Now let me show you how. Number one, locate anybody that has the old version of this app. A lot of your friends downloaded this app, then they didn't use it. They just allow it to be on their phone. Provided that they were not opening those apps, the apps they downloaded then is still pro version. How do you do it? Locate that your friend that has an old this app, the old of the one they downloaded like 2 years ago and all that. Delete the one you have. Use your Zender to pick that one from them. Now, when you pick it from them, also look for another phone that you are not using and send it to that phone. Don't open it on that phone, because the moment you start opening it on a phone that is connected to the internet and maybe use it to edit 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 videos, after some time, the app will automatically update and the new version will come on board under your phone. You can't use it again. All the pro versions will just expire and you will have to pay money. So what you do is you when you get the old one from your friend, save it somewhere in another phone that you are not using on your system. Anyway, you can just save the raw file so that anytime the one you installed on your phone gets updated to updated to a new version where you have to pay, you quietly delete it and put the old one. The idea is that if you don't log in online, if you don't go online with the phone where you have the old version, it will not update and you will continue to use the pro version. This is a hack. If you don't have all the money to go, do the pro version of this app, go and get your friend that has downloaded this app many years ago, like 2 or 3 years ago, and they are not using it. That old one is still in pro version. It has all the pro features. So rush now and look for anyone that has an old version of this app. They have all the pro features, and don't forget, you will need to save it somewhere in a device that you don't open, in a device that you don't use the app on it. Then anytime the one you are using expires or gets updated automatically as a result of internet connection, you delete it and bring the old one on board again. You delete it and bring the old one on board again. By that way, you'll be using pro version. This thing why I don't teach you now, na hack. Na hack. This is Merchant of Knowledge Africa. We don't want you to be in the dark. Kindly share this video. God bless you. Bye for now.